What if I told you there's a place in the United States where towering red rock cathedrals, mystical energy vortexes, hidden swimming holes, and luxury desert resorts all exist in one small town? Welcome to Sedona, Arizona, a place so stunning it doesn't feel real. In today's video, I'll show you exactly why Sedona should be on your bucket list, including the best hikes, scenic drives, spiritual spots, food, resorts, and insider travel tips, so stay till the end. Where is Sedona and why it's special? Sedona is located in northern Arizona, about 2 hours north of Phoenix and 45 minutes south of Flagstaff. What makes Sedona unique isn't just its beauty, it's the red sandstone formations carved over millions of years. These rocks glow bright orange, deep red, and pink, especially during sunrise and sunset. Sedona is also famous for its energy vortexes, areas believed to emit powerful spiritual energy. Whether or not you believe in that, one thing is certain: Sedona feels different. Best time to visit Sedona. The best time to visit Sedona is spring, March to May, perfect hiking weather, wildflowers blooming, cool mornings, warm afternoons. Fall, September to November, fewer crowds, golden fall colors, ideal temperatures. Summer can be very hot, especially midday. Winter is quiet and magical, with occasional snow on red rocks. Golden rule: visit early mornings and late afternoons for the best light and fewer people. Top things to do in Sedona. 1. Hiking in Red Rock Country. Sedona has over 400 miles of trails, from easy walks to epic climbs. Cathedral Rock, one of the most iconic hikes in Sedona, short but steep, with unreal panoramic views. Bell Rock and Courthouse Butte Loop, perfect for beginners, wide trails, open views, and stunning scenery. Devil's Bridge, the largest natural sandstone arch in Sedona, and yes, it's Instagram famous, located in Coconino National Forest. 2. Red Rock Scenic Drives. If you don't want to hike, don't worry, Sedona is incredibly scenic from the road. Red Rock Scenic Byway, Highway 17, often called one of the most beautiful drives in America. Oak Creek Canyon, a lush canyon drive connecting Sedona and Flagstaff, with waterfalls and picnic spots. Sedona Energy Vortexes. Sedona is considered one of the most spiritual places in the world. Popular vortex sites include Airport Mesa, Bell Rock, Cathedral Rock, Boynton Canyon. People come here for meditation, yoga, and self-reflection. Even if you're not spiritual, the views alone are worth it. 4. Jeep Tours and Adventure. Want to explore off-road desert terrain? Sedona's pink Jeep tours are world famous. They take you deep into rugged canyons you can't reach by car. Expect bumpy fun, knowledgeable guides, unreal photo opportunities. 5. Tlaquepaque Arts and Shopping. Welcome to Tlaquepaque Arts and Shopping Village, a charming arts village inspired by Mexico. Here you'll find art galleries, handmade jewelry, souvenir shops, cafes, and live music. Perfect for a relaxed afternoon. 6. Slide Rock State Park. If you're visiting in summer, don't miss Slide Rock State Park. It's a natural water slide carved into red rock, flowing with cool creek water, great for families and fun B-roll shots. Best viewpoints and sunset spots. Sedona sunsets are legendary. Airport Mesa, one of the best sunset viewpoints in Arizona. Arrive early, it fills up fast. Chapel of the Holy Cross, a stunning church built into red rock cliffs with breathtaking views. Where to stay in Sedona? Luxury resorts: Enchantment Resort, La Berge of Sedona, Amara Resort and Spa, perfect for honeymooners and couples. Mid-range hotels: Sky Ranch Lodge, Sedona Real Inn, Arabella Hotel. Budget and camping. Sedona Village Campground, nearby campgrounds in Coconino National Forest. What to eat in Sedona. Sedona's food scene is underrated. Must-try spots. The Hudson, American cuisine with views. Mariposa, Latin-inspired grill, upscale dining. Creekside, American bistro, great brunch. Don't forget to try southwestern flavors like green chili and Navajo tacos. Practical travel tips. Start hikes early. Carry water, always. Respect sacred sites. Use shuttle systems during peak seasons. Book hotels early in spring and fall. Final thoughts and outro. Sedona isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're hiking Red Rock trails, chasing sunsets, exploring spiritual sites, or simply soaking in the desert silence, Sedona leaves a mark on you. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more cinematic travel guides, and comment below. Would you visit Sedona, Arizona? See you in the next adventure.